Hello everyone! What a better way to ring in Christmas than with a genuine December 2021 Christmas challenge. This challenge was held by the website Logiker, with the results and source code posted there as well. The challenge was to draw a Christmas tree in as small a program as possible, one of the variations being to add colors and to be creative. The challenge concluded about a week ago, and there's a really nice video posted on the Logiker YouTube channel showing the results. One of the unique things about this challenge was there were a ton of entries, 89 to be exact, and there were a ton of different unique computer systems represented in the results, including entries from the entire Commodore family, Atari, Intellivision, Mattel Aquarius, Amstrad CPC, PC-DOS, BBC Micro, Dragon 32, KC85/4, Acorn Atom. There were several others, including a couple of entries from a PDP-11. It's unbelievable. Although I didn't directly participate in the challenge, I sort of assisted a friend of mine from the UK by the name of Stuart Hurst. He posted a Twitch stream video of his development for this challenge. That video may not be there for long though before Twitch cycles it out. The Oldskoolcoder was on the stream and decided on the spot to develop his entry. I wanted to take a moment to review a couple of the source code of the programs. Alright, so the first thing I did is I went to the Logiker website, which I'll have the link in the description of this video. And I scrolled down to the bottom and there's a link down here to the Google Drive. I clicked on that and I downloaded a copy of the source code. The next thing I did is I unzipped the file and I put it in my source code folder, and then I unzipped a few of the entries. They were all zipped up because they have screenshots, the source code, and a few other things in each of the programs. So I wanted to take a quick look at OSK's entry here, and let's take a look and run it. Let's see how it runs. Let's see if I can do that again where it shows. Nope, it always goes over there. Okay. So his is a really short program, and it could have been even shorter had he moved it into the 0 page. I think he might have been a contender. It looks really short, succinct. And it has the same sort of logic that we used in our basic program. So let's look at the Stuart Hurst one. Here's the source code. It's really short. It's just a for loop. And then it reads in the value. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So if you're wondering what those are, that's how many asterisks to put for each line of the Christmas tree as it goes down. All it's doing is cycling through that and then centering it. So it's centering it on the screen. So half of 40 of the width is 20, and then it just centers it based on which number. And then let's run that Stuart's version. And there it is. Let's take another look at it in BASIC. And now Stuart had some questions as to whether or not this is legal. He was saying that there is a limitation. If you were to type in 3 lines in BASIC, and he showed us that he was right. If you were to type all that in BASIC and run it, and you hit enter, you would get some sort of weird error message. Whereas if you did it in a cross compiler like the CVM Program Studio, which is what Stuart used, that you don't have an error message. But I do think that Stuart's entry is one of the shorter and succinct entries that was in the competition, at least for BASIC. Clocking in at 89 bytes. And then I think I only looked at one other person's source code. Okay, and he showed it. Logiker showed us these images. Probably wouldn't take much modification to make this run. Let's see if it'll run directly in Kick. So I hit F7. So we have some error messages. Oh, okay. Make it a label. Even if we resolve this, let's just say 304 F7. It runs at 304. It crashed. Okay, let's put it up to 1000. And that way it won't crash. And there it goes. Mike KSMYK. Anyway, yeah, there was a lot of little entries in here. Let's see what his... So his is only 46 bytes. And if we run his the way he submitted it, boom. Yeah, right there. Very, very nice. Anyway, there's a ton of entries, 89 entries, that were submitted as a part of this challenge. And it was really, really fun to watch this. And it was exciting to see the results play out. Anyhow, I was amazed by the participation in this challenge, and I'm hoping Logiker puts on more of them in the future. It was fun to see all the amazing entries and the unique ways of attacking this problem. You can check out the full results on the Logiker website and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.